Hello, my name is Keshwani. It's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I. Keshwani. I have been solving math problems for GMAT out of this book here, the GMAT Review, the official guide. If you do not own this book, go to mba.com. The book that I showed you was the 11th edition. If you wish to purchase the book, go to mba.com, as I said, and there you'll be able to find that book, 11th edition, or better yet, the new edition, which is the 12th edition. You can buy either one of them, but of course this will make more sense to buy 12th edition. It just came out. The problem that I'm about to solve is the one that you will find on page number 184, problem solving number 231, which is out of this 11th edition, which is a notation that I've been using all along. And all the previous problems that I also solved already, I'm going to go back and insert these tags. And the new notation that I've been using is the same system as old one. Type in GMAT, dash, and then write down 12E for 12th edition, dash, and then page number, and then the problem solving, number 214. It's the exact same problem. Problem solving 214 in 12th edition is the exact same problem as this one over here on page 184, problem solving 231. They have done some changes between the two editions, as you can clearly see. Some might go as far as to say disturbing changes, because the problem appeared here on page 184. Here it happens to appear on page number 183. One might go as far as to say mind-boggling. Let's solve the problem. And the reason why the problem numbers are different is because the newer edition has fewer problems. The old edition had about 250 problem solving questions. The new edition only has 230. They have taken out 20 questions. Let's take a look at it. Problem number 231, or problem number 214 if you have the 11th edition in front of you. Let's read the problem. Turn to the page and read the problem with me. Xavier, Ivan, and Zelda. Interesting. All right. X, Y, and Z each try independently to solve a problem. If their individual odds of success are 1/4, 1/2, and 5/8, these are their odds of being successful. I shouldn't have started this because I don't know how to spell successful. You see, I mucked it up, didn't I? These are their odds of being successful. The question simply is, what are the odds that Xavier and Ivan, X and Y, what are the odds that Xavier and Ivan, but not Zelda, which solve the problem? So they're looking for what are the odds that X and Y will be able to solve the problem, but not Z. Well, very simple, very straightforward. The odds that X can solve the problem is 1/4. The odds that Y can solve the problem is 1/2. And the most important word here is, excuse me, the most important word here is independently, because these probabilities are independent. These are independent events. The odds of X being successful at solving the problem has absolutely nothing to do with what Y does or what Z does, and vice versa. They are independent probabilities. Therefore, the odds that X will be successful and Y will be successful and Z will not be successful is, well, let's take a look at it. We know that the odds that Z will be successful is 5/8. So 3/8 are the odds that Z will not be successful. Will not be successful. These are the odds that X and Y will be successful. So that's all it is. Since they're looking for what are the odds that X and Y will be successful but not Z, well, the odds that Z will not be successful is 3/8. Where did I come up with 3/8? Because it's 1 minus 5/8. That's all it is. So you just multiply the three numbers and that's your answer right there. 1 times 3 times 3, 1 times 1 times 3 is just 3. On the bottom I have 4 times 2, which is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. There you go, that's your answer. That's it, we're done. That's all. I shouldn't write this thing with the equal sign, it's kind of confusing. It should not be written like that, so let me rewrite this thing. 3/8 are the odds that Z will not be. That's much better. Because that equal sign was misleading, because the whole thing does not equal to that. Anyway, this is proper way. That's it. That's your answer. 3 over 64, which happens to be answer choice E. That's all. I hope you found it helpful. If you wish to get hold of me for personal private tutoring, I'm located in Connecticut. Or if you wish to buy my DVDs where I show you the solutions to all the problems, or if you wish to buy the solution manuals, solutions to this problem in the form of a manual, in any of those scenarios, if you wish to communicate with me, go to my website at www.for4gmat.com and send me an email. Alright, thank you.